So this is what our cookie is going to look like. Nice and crumbly. When you touch it, it flakes away just like a cookie. So let's get started. Here are the basic ingredients that we need for our 2-minute cookie. This is an egg yolk, coconut sugar, almond butter, and some type of chocolate. I'm using the cacao nibs. Okay, so I have my egg yolk and my almond butter. I'm going to put about 1/3 of a cup of almond butter in here. This is going to make 2 cookies. Alright, there's my 1/3 of a cup of almond butter. And then I'm going to add some of the cacao nibs in here. You can also use some unsweetened baker's chocolate, like in a block, or you could use any kind of chocolate type stuff you want. And I'm just going to shake out a little bit in here. I'm not even going to measure it. Just want a little few chunks in there. And then I'm going to, for this particular recipe, you could add a little bit of sugar. I like the almond butter. It's already sweet enough. I often will use the sun butter made with sunflower seeds instead of the almonds. I don't eat a lot of nuts myself. So when I use the sunflower butter, I tend to add some sweetener. When I use the almond butter, I don't. So now I'm just going to go ahead. I'm not going to put it in this one because I have the almond butter. I'm just going to go ahead and stir it all up. And then we're going to divide this into 2 little containers. Alright, so here's the cookie dough all stirred up. Make sure you get all of your egg yolk in there. It's mixed up nice. And now I'm going to divide this in half. And then we're going to pop this 1/2 of the cookie dough into the microwave for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. Okay, I took out half the cookie dough and just kind of formed the half that I left in the container in the glass into like a little ball there and flattened it out in the bottom. Now we're going to pop it in the microwave. Alright, when you first pull your cookie out, it's going to be a little soft. Then within a few seconds it'll cool and then get really flaky. And then there's your cookie. Now I think you could make this a lot of different ways. You could add different flavorings to it. You can put nuts in it. You can do, I mean, whatever you would normally do in a regular cookie. And there's no carbs in here. A little bit with the cacao nibs, but very, very low. And it's a nice, quick, easy dessert that you can have whenever you feel like you need something a little sweet. All right, give it a shot and let us know how it works.